Hello everyone. Japanized Sensei here. Today, I will teach you about adverbs. We are done with adjectives and verbs. Now let's study adverbs. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that provides greater description to a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, very high, quickly ran. Very and quickly are adverbs that provides more description to adjective high and verb ran. There are standalone Japanese adverbs that you can just memorize, such as
いつも、時々、とても、ゆっくり、
and more. But what I will teach you is how to make adverbs from adjectives. Just like in English, where you add "ly" to adjectives to make it an adverb. Such as quick to quickly, slow to slowly, and so on. Let's start with NA adjectives in Japanese. To make NA adjectives into adverbs, just add ni at the end of the adjective. For example,
静か、
will be,
静かに、簡単、
will be,
簡単に、自由、
will be.
自由に。
That's easy, right? Next free adjectives, just replace the final I by ku. For example,
早い、
will be,
早く、短い、
will be,
短く、強い、
will be.
強く。
Easy, right? Now, how to use Japanese adverbs in a sentence. When modifying a verb, adverbs can be placed directly before the verb or anywhere between the topic and the verb. For example, directly before the verb.
彼は朝ごはんを早く食べました。
Between the topic and the verb.
彼は早く朝ごはんを食べました。
Just remember, the more closer the adverb to the verb, the more emphasis on how the verb was done. So the first one, give more emphasis on how the topic ate his breakfast. When modifying adjective, adverbs comes directly before the adjectives. For example,
この携帯はとても高いです。
when modifying another adverb. Same with adjectives, adverbs comes directly before another adverb. For example,
もうちょっとゆっくり話してください。
That's all. Now you know how to use adjectives, verbs and adverbs in Japanese sentence. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's all be Japanized.